Succession planning of wealth has become very important in recent times because asset creation and protection have become equally important. Any discussion on succession planning is incomplete without the mention of trust. What's the fuss about? Here's what. The beauty of a trust structure is that it equally helps a family, which is, say, a third generation of a legacy business, or a first-time entrepreneur, or even a professional. And very simply put, a trust is nothing but an obligation that the creator or the settler reposes in the trustee, who's the legal owner of the trust assets, who manages it for the benefit of beneficiaries, generally individuals who are close family members. Why should you trust the trust? Here are the benefits of adopting a trust structure. First and foremost, it's a tried and tested form of planning. Not only in India, but most common law countries, a trust comes to the rescue when it comes to any sort of succession planning. Trust law in India has been around for centuries with very little change in terms of legal amendment. The benefit that it accords to the settler, the flexibility of calibrating the passage of control in terms of who should be the trustee, who should not be a beneficiary, when should someone be inducted as a next trustee. This is a big advantage. Another important factor to consider is that assets that are housed in a trust completely bypass the court intervention in terms of a probate, because trust assets are not really linked to the lifetime of the creator or the settler, or even the beneficiaries for that matter. I would say that a trust is much like a stitch in time. It comes to the rescue and protects asset and creates that ring fencing almost automatically. And these could be from claims of business, creditors, or even internal claims such as those emanating from familial discord or matrimonial discord. So all in all, I think the trust really helps streamline the succession planning exercise and is quite advantageous in terms of completely avoiding any sort of legal hassles, even if, say, there are aging parents, there are minor children, or the spouse does not want to be shouldering administrative hassles of managing the entire estate.